it has been a while. Been busy with some personal stuff. But again, hi! Welcome to Kittynyanyao channel. Today's video we will be unboxing made by PLUM, a character from the feed series Scathach or Scathach. Feel free to subscribe to see more unboxing videos. And hit that like button and bell button for you to be updated for a new video upload. Hope you'll enjoy the video. This figure comes with a manual, mainly on how to put her weapon on. It is also in Japanese language only. Scathach's weapon is called Gabog. It is said to be a cursed spear with an ominous design. The weapon has a small peg that can be attached to the figure. And it consists of two parts which you can connect like so. This figure has a wonderfully designed jam-colored base with the decor of her summoning circle. The base having one socket and a peg for the figure's support. Scathach is my favorite Fate character. She is so pretty and sexy. How can you not? Back on the review. And here is Scathach in her Lancer battlesuit. It is wonderfully detailed. Sexy full body suit highlighting her curves. And cute butt. And her lovely purple reddish hair. Now let's put on her weapon. And here behind her hand is where the weapon's peg can be attached. And lastly, attaching her to the base. Thank you for watching.